we have much to discover about the animals for which this is home, including some you might never expect to find amongst trees. Here, 1,000 miles from the sea, are dolphins. A newly identified species of river dolphin found nowhere else on Earth. In these black, tangled waters, they have become almost totally blind, so they move slowly, carefully using their sonar to scan the forest floor for fish. If this forest can hide a new species of dolphin, what else might there be here awaiting discovery?